and khona manje kukhona omunye umfundisi naye naye wenza the same thing. Akubiza uthi sawuzokhulekelwa in your private moment. So banjwana in the wrong place. And so saba nokukhuluma because of Nzothini is a man of God. Bazalwane nikhulumani, even if it's your own father, the biological father okuzalile.
Talk.
Akubeka kubamba kabi. Even if it's your own mother, because even women today, they do these things.
True.
Ebantwaneni baba babafana utata ngifuna umfana nami ajole anybody uzoshada mina iqhubeke lento and isono sakudala leso na ku music industry sikhona. So all those things bayakuthembisa abanye bakuthengela ama grocery, bakuthengela bhatala school fees, thina umuntu akutshela athi kanti bucanga ukuthi uzibhatalwa ngani lezi zinto. That is why when the mother of the church is not involved, one of the signs, go and say, if umama webandla akekho, hayi ngiyabonga. Ngifuna umama ayazi le ndaba.
Sure.
Because ezinye abo baba labafundisi bazenza basiqhelisa abomama so that banibambe psychological and kumbula akahamba ayi1 hamba namademoni and hamba nale. So that's one of the things that people must be aware of.
So when we can say you were manipulated or you were forced.
No, he wanted to force himself on me. I pushed him to the point where ebondeni. Umama ubona that, remember umama mbizi ukuthi azongikhulekela.
Okay, so you were sick.
Yes.
Okay.
So